Welcome back, everybody. You know, maintaining a clean and safe job site, it's essential for both productivity but also for everybody's health around. Acme Tools recently asked if we would evaluate the Jet AFS-850 mobile air filter. And they wanted us to determine its effectiveness and value as a dust control system for construction sites. Priced at $699, the 850 isn't cheap, but what good tool is? Let's explore this tool, what it offers, and whether it justifies its price tag. So in the realm of remodeling and construction, the term livable remodeling has gained prominence. The approach focuses on delivering building and remodeling services that reduce stress, basically streamline processes, right? Making the remodeling experience less overwhelming for your clients. Minimize health risks, that's effective dust controls, mitigating airborne dust hazards. Ensure livability. That means the home remains comfortable and functional throughout the remodeling process, as best as we can. Promote communication and professionalism. That's just clear interactions that build trust and satisfaction. So using outdated methods like a box fan in a window not only fails to meet modern standards, but also violates EPA standards, regulations, which now require certified HEPA equipment to capture and contain dust effectively. So let's talk about a quick summary of best practices. We talk about setting expectations, communication. Clearly communicate the dust control measures with your client. Isolating the work areas using, say, zip wall or plastic barriers, seal off the space. Establishing negative pressure. Using air scrubbers to direct air out of the area, or air filters like the jet filter. Sealing ductwork, preventing dust from getting in and spreading through the HVAC systems. Daily cleanups. Vacuuming, right? Removing dust and maintaining a clean environment. And vacuuming and collecting dust at the source. These all help keep dust contained and protect the other areas of the home, reducing cleanup efforts. But you know, why do we need to do this? Like, there's health complications, right, or implications. Dust isn't a nuisance, it's a health risk. There's asthma triggers, both children and adults. There's allergic reactions from dust, which is likely an allergic response. There's chronic respiratory issues like COPD, which aggravates, dust can aggravate that. So look, effective dust control systems like the Jet AFS-850, they're critical in mitigating these health hazards, making a kind of viable solution to controlling dust on your job site. Let's move on to some of the key features on this Jet air filter. There's 6 speeds on the blower from 1950 to 850 CFM. There is a timer setting from 1 to 16 hours, which is super helpful if you want to set and forget. Let it filter while you're gone. Decibel ratings are 50 to 68 decibels at 3.28 feet. There's a MERV 15 filter and a pre-filter that's washable. The MERV 15 filter is a canister style. The filter removes dust particles ranging from 0.3 to 10 microns, and it captures 98% of particles at 1 micron. There's also an optional charcoal filter. The motor is brushless and it's HEPA certified. There's an auto mode. It utilizes a PM2.5 sensor to monitor the air quality in real time and adjust that motor speed in auto. 15-foot power cord, which is great. Filter status, that gives you a visual alert, right? It tells you good, replace filter, or replace soon, and replace. And it weighs 31.9 pounds. So those are the key features. Let's talk about my experience using it and operating it. We're a firm believer in connecting dust to the tools that are making the dust, right? Collecting dust at the source. That said, in order to see if this thing worked, we needed to make some dust. So we did. We set up the filter in a couple of different situations to test it. We put it in a room where we were cutting and routing drywall, next to a table saw that was cutting everything from pine, plywood, and MDF. We put it in a room that we were doing some demo, and we put it next to an area we were sanding and cutting MDF. In the end, the best way to show the filter in action was near when we were sanding and cutting the MDF cabinet panels. So we set the jet filter to auto mode and we left it alone. Shortly after cutting and sanding the MDF, we could hear the filter motor ramp up, staying high for a period of time and then ramp back down when the dust settled. The proverbial dust settled, or I guess in this case, dust filtered. Look, I'm not advocating that you sand or cut MDF without dust collection. My point is that this jet filter It's part of an overall solution to cleaner air. Maintenance and filter replacement is super easy. Proper maintenance, that's critical for the longevity if you want to, protect your investment on your filters, right? So we noted that after 3 weeks of using the filter, we were able to take it out easily, just unclick and lift off the cover, remove the filter, and vacuum it. Removing, cleaning, changing out the pre-filter or the pleated filter, it's all easy. That fan head on the top unlocks, and there's actually a sensor on it. If you move it, it stops. You have to reset it. You can wash the pre-filter, vacuum it, whatever you prefer. You can clean by vacuuming or replace the pleated filter. Just super easy to do. It takes 5 minutes as long as you have the equipment with you. We used a brush attachment to vacuum everything, and it worked great. It's recommended that you also wipe down that integrated PM2.5 sensor so that it can maintain and accurately measure the air quality and functionality of the fan. All right, I mentioned earlier in the video when I first started that the price was $6.99. Acme Tools sells this filter online, $6.99. A replacement inner paper filter, pleated filter, is $69.99. Optional charcoal filter is $45.99. And that replaceable washable pre-filter, $15.99. So guys, to conclude, we liked using the Jet AFS-850 mobile air filter and found it robust and effective solution for portable job site control. And it aligned perfectly with the principles of livable remodeling. Its high filtration capacity, quiet operation, and smart controls make it a valuable tool for contractors who prioritize health, safety, and professionalism. Clients love seeing it. While the initial investment is considerable, the benefits of improved air quality, reduced health risks, and enhanced customer satisfaction make the AFS-850 a worthwhile addition to any construction or remodeling toolkit. By effectively managing dust, the AFS-850 not only ensures a cleaner and healthier work environment, but also enhances your reputation as a detail-oriented and professional contractor. This can lead to increased homeowner satisfaction, more referrals, and ultimately boosting the quality and quantity of your business. I'm Rob Robillard. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a fun tool to review and kind of look at and think about. And look, we'll see you at the next review. Take care.